what's up? Subscribe, notify, see cool videos like this. Cruising a 3-valve Mustang today. Let's go check it out. Hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. This is pretty cool today because this car came in as a bone stock 05 Mustang, Winville blue. You know I'm a lover of that color right there. Same color as our V6 Mustang that we did the Coyote swap in. But to this car right here, look what we installed. I have Doug with me today. We installed our V3 non-intercooled supercharger package. For the money, it's the best way to add about 150 horsepower to a stock Mustang. So this car came in, we did do delete plates also. It's factory exhaust manifolds, factory cats, factory mufflers, factory intake manifold, factory throttle body, no cam upgrade, nothing. So our V3 kit, here's what you get. Hey, and don't forget, I will put a link in the description so you read more about it, but this is what you're gonna get right here. You get 39-pound fuel injectors. We do a fuel pump upgrade, colder spark plugs, and that non-intercooled supercharger kit along with the proper calibration. Easy way to add about 8 pounds of boost, add about 150 horsepower, like I said, to your car. But this looks really cool right here. I like this kit that's for the money. If you have a used Mustang, or maybe one you bought new, and you're not wanting to put a bunch of money in it, but you're wanting some power all the time when you hammer the car, you know, not like nitrous. You put nitrous on, it seems cheap, but you only get it when you hit it. This power here is all the time. It's automatic, running 93 octane. Let's make it down to pull and see what it makes. Pretty much exactly what I expected. 427 roll horsepower at 6,500 RPM. Torque came in at 378 at 5,000. Now that's on our dyno jet. That's rated SAE. That's with 93 octane, it's automatic. Now you need to understand, we're all spoiled by Coyotes. You're probably watching this, you're like, you know, maybe not understanding what these numbers are. A 3-valve automatic Mustang, and I'm a huge 3-valve guy. If you guys watch these videos, you know I am. 250 the tires, probably with an automatic stock. We're up to 427. So for the money, what it costs to build a car like this, that is some really good horsepower increase. I drove the car stock, which is kind of funny. It's been a while since I've been behind the wheel of a bone stock Mustang, and with the supercharger, it's so much more fun. If you have questions, please leave a comment. Don't forget, how much would this cost to install your Mustang? Simply email quote@brenspeed.com. Thanks for watching.